You've probably seen these new Sora 2 style videos taking over YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Right now, it's one of the fastest ways to go viral that I've seen in over 4 years of creating content. So today I'll show you step by step how to make a viral Sora 2 style video like this using only AI. And you can do it in under 10 minutes. If you're like me, you probably went searching for ways to make these videos only to realize you can't. It's locked behind a closed beta with access given to only a handful of creators. So I started looking for tools that can create the same viral Sora 2 style videos without waiting for an invite or relying on limited beta access. And that's when I came across Virlo. Virlo is an AI platform built to help you create viral Sora 2 style videos and is accessible worldwide. You can generate Sora 2 style videos instantly, create multi-scene clips up to 60 seconds long, and do it all from anywhere in the world without needing an invite. If your goal is to grow on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, creating these viral Sora 2 style videos, Virlo is the platform built exactly for that. And if you want to follow along as I create a Sora 2 video in a real time, I left a link in the description and in the pinned comment below so you can try out Virlo as well. First, head over to virlo.ai and create your account. Once you're inside, open your account settings and connect your TikTok or YouTube Shorts profile. This allows Virlo to automatically track your performance, things like the best posting times, top performing hashtags, and what's currently working in your niche. It's basically like having an AI analytics assistant working for you 24/7. Next, we need to find what's actually going viral right now, because creating something based on proven trends is the fastest way to grow. So you can do this manually on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram by just scrolling on the platform and finding content yourself. But the great thing about Virlo is that it already shows you the top performing videos inside your dashboard. When you log in, you'll see over 40 trending niches, everything from AI tools, AI vlogs, cars, animals, basketball, and more. Click on any niche and on the right side, you will instantly see whether the niche is growing or declining, which countries are watching, the top performing hashtags, and real viral video examples from the last 30 days. But if you're creating a Sora 2 style video and if you want to find an example of viral video in that niche, you would have to select AI vlogs. So I'm gonna click on AI vlogs. I'm gonna sort out by most viewed and also make sure this is recent. And by doing a quick scroll, I found this viral Sora 2 video. With one click, you can save it to your collection so you can recreate your own version later. So before you even start creating, you already have data-backed viral ideas ready to go. Now comes the fun part, actually creating your video. On the left side of your dashboard, click Content Canvas. Then select Create New Canvas. You'll see 3 creation modes: guided flow, full AI automation, media generation, video only creation, free roam, full manual control. If you're just getting started, choose guided flow. It's the simplest and the fastest ways to generate a complete video from start to finish. Now, upload or paste the link to the viral video you found earlier. Virlo will automatically analyze it, the pacing, structure, visuals, and overall flow. Once it's done, click Next. From here, choose your content type. You'll see options like chat message stories, AI storytelling, AI vlogs, and more. For now, let's select a default option and click Next to continue. Then click Generate Script and Virlo's AI will instantly create a full video script. Once the script is ready, click Next and Virlo will move you into the media generation stage. Here's where Virlo really goes crazy. It integrates directly with Sora 2 style models for video generation, 11 Labs for high quality voiceovers, V3 and Nano Banana for advanced rendering. And the best part, you can create up to 60 seconds of video with a single prompt, simply by increasing the number of scenes. For example, if I set a slider to 1 scene, the video will be around 8 seconds long. If I increase it to 4 scenes, it jumps to about 32 seconds. As you can see right here. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a short 8-second video, so I'll leave it just at 1 scene. And again, with Virlo, you can do this from anywhere in the world. No regional restrictions and no invite is required. Now, choose the overall style of your video. You can pick from cinematic, AI vlog, ASMR. Then select the Sora 2 style generation model and choose your artistic look: realistic, anime, professional, 3D. I've tested all of these models, and since our goal is to create realistic looking making Sora 2 style video, make sure to select AI vlog for your style and realistic for the generation model. Once you've made those selections, click generate. It may take a few minutes to process, but after that, you can fine-tune each scene, adjust the dialogue, characters, or visuals to match your idea, and then start the final generation process. Now that Verlo has finished generating a Sora 2 style video, save it to your computer and let's have a look. So as you can see, Verlo took the storyline from the viral example and turned it into a completely new original version. No scripting, no filming, no editing required. Alright, so now let's talk about how much money you can realistically make with these Sora 2 style videos. TikTok's creator reward program pays roughly 0.50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views, depending on your niche, audience engagement, and the length of your videos. So for example, this 10-second Sora 2 short that pulled over 9 million views could have earned the creator anywhere from $4,500 to $9,000 from a single upload. And even on a lower end, a 1 million view video still brings in around $400 to $1,000, which is completely achievable with this style of content. Now, I should mention that Verlo is a paid software, but if you're serious about creating Sora 2 style videos and you want to get started as fast as possible and get your first video uploaded today, this tool is a complete no-brainer. Verlo offers 4 main plans. Research Analyst plan, which is $29 a month, but if you want to use the Sora 2 style generation models like I showed you in this tutorial, you'll need one of their creator plans. Starter plan at $49 per month gives you 1,000 credits and allows you to have 2 account connections. Pro plan, which is their most popular plan, and it gives you 5,000 credits, allows you to connect 4 accounts. And just to put it into perspective, generating one video uses about 30 credits, which means on the Pro plan, you can create roughly 160 Sora 2 style videos every single month, more than enough to post daily across all platforms. And then there's an Elite plan, which gives you 12,500 credits and allows you to have 10 accounts connected. I personally use the Elite plan because it lets me create multiple Sora 2 style videos every single day across all my platforms without ever running out of credits. If you choose an annual plan, you will also get a 30% discount, which reduces the cost even further. And for the viewers of this channel, Verlo is giving an exclusive offer. Just use the code Catalyst at checkout to get an extra 10% off any plan. Again, the code is Catalyst, the one that you see on the screen right now, and it's also going to be in the description and in the pinned comment. And honestly, as you saw earlier, even one viral video can cover the entire cost of their highest tier subscription, which is why I believe this software is a complete no-brainer if you want to take this seriously. So here are the exact steps to get your first Sora 2 style video created today. Step 1, sign up for Verlo using the first link in the description or in the pinned comment. Choose the plan that fits you and don't forget to use the code Catalyst for the discount. Step 2, connect your TikTok or YouTube Shorts account so Verlo can track your performance automatically. Step 3, use Verlo research tool and find a high-performing content examples to use as your inspiration. Step 4, use the guided flow to generate your own Sora 2 style video, just like I showed you. Step 5, post consistently across all platforms. Remember, it only takes one video to completely blow up your account. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.